Paano nga ba mag-put up ng business if you don't have the experience? Well, yan yung tanong dito. To be honest, I don't consider myself as an expert for this. But on our end, here's what we consider. Number one is know your talent. So, mas maganda nagbe-business ka na alam mo and at the same time na-enjoy mo. Like si Jervs, he loves to cook and ako naman magaling ako mag-market. Sumunod naman is our budget. Kailangan may magaling mag-budget sa inyo like me on our end. Work on what you have and dapat nagko-costing kayo ha. Kasama dapat yung utilities and the manpower. Next naman is learn from your mistakes. Since pangatlong business na nga namin to ni Jervs, yung mga natutunan namin sa first two business namin, ito yung mga i-apply namin for this one. But kung una nyo naman tong business, learn from others' mistakes. Marami kayong mapapanood niyan online. O kaya naman, mag-ask kayo ng advice sa mga nagbe-business. Huwag kayong mahihiyang magtanong. At ang pinaka-importante, tanungin nyo yung sarili nyo kung kaya nyo ba mag-commit. Kasi once na natayo nyo na yung business na yan, kailangan niya ng attention within 3 to 6 months. Huwag nyo ipagkakatiwala yung business nyo sa empleyado lang. Kasi dyan kayo babagsak like us.